Okay, so like I said just now, I will go through plant and their parts first for today. Can I get a show of hands? Or for those of you, okay, maybe you all crack the response on the chat, in the chat, sorry. Okay, you all tell me what topic your school is doing now. Is it plants as well? Plants and their parts, or is it something else? Because different schools can be starting with different topics. So can you all give me some feedback for me to see later? What topic is it for science? Not for maths, not for English, science. Which topic is it that you're okay, Jervis, plant system. Plant system means plant and their parts, lah, correct? Okay. How about you, Devika? The topic that your science teacher is going through. Just help me type on the chat. Lucas as well. Alamak, Devika, I think having some technical problem. Okay, never mind. Lucas, are you there, Lucas? Okay. Lucas, if you are there, Lucas, it's okay. No need to. It's okay. No need to unmute yourself first. Just reply via the chat first. Sorry. I need you to let me know what topic is it that your school is doing right now. Okay. So just type in the chat later. I will check. Okay. Let me start. Okay. So today, plants and their parts. We are going to look at what are the different parts of a plant. Wait, where's my annotate? Annotate. Okay, we are going to look at what are the different parts of a plant, okay, as well as how do these different parts work together to keep the plant alive. Okay, I know some of you, like for example, Jervis, right? Your teacher already gone through the chapter. Have they finished, by the way, the entire chapter? No, huh? Voice trembling, is it? My voice cannot be heard clearly, is it? Lucas? Is my voice not clear? My voice trembling or your voice trembling? Is it better now? I'm going closer to the mic. Can you hear me clearer now? Clear but trembling? Oh, I cannot do anything about the... Okay, as long as it's clear, can already. Right? Clear means you can listen. Okay, better. Okay. I don't know why it was trembling. Okay, never mind. If it's better now, it's fine. Okay. So these are the two things that we are focused on today. All right. So first thing first, let me have a clear... why like that? Okay, let me have a clear page first so that I will annotate with some diagrams first for you all. In case Devika, because Devika haven't replied me, right? Okay, Devika have not replied me. Lucas, your school is doing what chapter now in school? For science? Can you type in the chat?
I'm ready. I'm learning about light and reproduction.
Reproduction, see? Okay, so it's okay if your school is doing different things. It's just that I will teach you the things that you need to know for the chapter first. So those of you, your teacher, your school already gone through the contents. It's okay, treat it like a revision. Then later we get a chance to practice some questions. All right? Okay, so Lucas, your school have not gone through this chapter, so I think you have to pay a little bit more attention, okay, to the contents that I'm going to teach. If you want, okay, this is what I did with yesterday's class. If you want, if you are the kind of learner that need to write something when the teacher talk, if not, you will daydream or whatever, or you need to draw diagrams, in order to understand, then what you can do at home, find a piece of paper, okay, take a pencil, and as I'm going through the diagrams and contents on the share screen, you all can copy down on the piece of paper. Okay, so however, okay, all these things that I will be scribbling on the board is all going to be saved. So you all can access it later on as well. It's not going to disappear after the lesson. Okay, so you all still can access my diagrams, but it's just that on the spot right now, if you think that you cannot pay attention very well without some writing and stuff, you can go and get some paper, pencil, and then go along with me as I go through the contents. Clear? Okay? Devika, are you all right? Is your computer okay? Okay, let's start first. Okay, later Devika will catch up. Come. Okay, so first thing first, what I will draw is a big diagram of a simple standard plant. So a plant, I will start with the roots first. Okay, this is the ground or the soil. Just a simple plant first. Like that. If you remember, I said earlier, if you want, you can take a paper, okay, take your pencil and then scribble on it as I go along, if you want. Okay, if not, then of course you can just look at the screen. Okay, so now I have these parts. I'm going to add in something else. I'm going to add in this thing over here. It's a weird it's a weird plant, but you know, I try my best to draw it as much as accurate as possible. But it's okay, there's one weird flower on top, it's fine. Okay, let's start labeling first. Okay, people, this part here, we label this as roots. Okay, let's take a look at what are some functions of roots. Okay, when you talk about functions of roots, it's what they do for the plant. Okay, something like their job lah. All right, but we call them function. We have two. Okay, so first function is that they absorb water. Second thing that they absorb, anyone knows? Roots absorb water. One more thing that they are absorbing. Anyone knows? Devika.
Minerals.
Very good. Minerals. Can I say mineral salts?
Yes.
Can. Okay, so minerals or mineral salts are accepted. But what is not accepted is if you just write the word salts. All right. So first thing that the roots do, first function is they absorb water and mineral salts. The second function of roots, anyone can tell me? Okay, Devika. Devika, unmute. Remember, you are on Zoom, must unmute.
The roots will hold on firmly to the ground.
Hold on firmly to the ground for who? For what? For the
plant.
For the plant, correct. So the roots will hold the plant firmly to the ground. Okay? So that's in general the two functions of roots. No more that we learn for now. Okay. Next thing is you ask yourself, let me change color for a bit. What color should I do? Brown. Okay, don't want brown, orange. Okay, so let's ask ourselves for a bit, okay? Why do the roots need to absorb water and minerals? Because these are things, if you take in something into your body, means that these substances are used in certain ways for your body. In other words, they are useful substances for us or for the plant, correct? So let's take a second to think about why the roots need to take in water. If anyone wants to offer an answer, you all raise up your hand. I will call your name. You all unmute. Give me the response. Okay, my question again is, why do the roots need to take in water or absorb water? Anyone? Lucas? Lucas, you need to raise your hand first before I let you unmute. Can you do that? Okay, thank you.
So the water, the when people flower the plant, they the roots suck in the water, and then the food and all those they go to the leaf and all the minerals.
Wow, you have a very long answer, Lucas. Let me try and summarize what you said, okay? You say the water, the plant suck in, correct?
It takes the water inside to the leaf, and then it makes the minerals to make its own food.
Make the minerals?
No, I mean like the leaves make its own food.
Okay. Lucas, there are good things and not so good things about your answer. First thing first, water is taken into the plant via the roots and they do go up to the leaves. Yes, correct. Okay, so in other words, we can say that the water that is absorbed or taken into the plants will go to all parts of the plant. Okay, but there's one word that you say that you cannot use in your exam, which is sakin. Correct or not, Lucas? Just now you mentioned the word sakin before you change it to a better word, right? So be careful, okay? My P4 students, you all cannot use words anyhow to describe a certain action. Must follow to what the teachers say, tell you what to say, how to say, okay? So you cannot say plants sucking water. It's not that accurate. What you can say is the word absorb, or let me change back to blue, or the word take in water. Why the blue dark blue? But never mind. Okay, so they absorb or takes in water and minerals. Okay, for what purpose? Again, still the question is not yet answered though, because you say the water is used to make minerals, the water is used to make food. Is it? Lucas, was that your answer just now? Can you refresh my memory again? Water is used to? Anyone else know what is water used for?
Okay, I'll guess.
You guess?
Yeah, so the water makes food. It goes to the leaf.
Ingredient to make food.
It's
It
in
goes to the leaf to
to
make
make minerals there, I guess.
minerals. Okay. I edit your answer a bit, okay? The water will go to the leaf, but then it's not to make just minerals. They are involved in the food making process of plants, correct? So water is involved in making food for plants. Anyone know the actual name for this process? It's a very long name. It starts with a P. The process in which plants make their own food. Anybody know the word? Starts with a P.
Can you give us one more word?
Raise your hand. Yes, Lucas?
Can you put in one more word?
Put in one more word. Let's play a little game of hangman. Small game only, wait, Wait, I need to count. Wow, long word leh. Correct or not? Correct leh. Can you see how long the word is? Okay. Each one of you contribute one alphabet, come. And then I will see whether the alphabet is present inside this word. Starting from Jervis. Give me one alphabet. Jervis? Hangman, come. Give me one alphabet that you think is inside. Alamak, Jervis wrote something in the chat. Okay, anyway. Hey, wait, this is a direct message, right? So only I can see, okay. It's fine. Then the rest of you still cannot see the answer. Never mind, Jervis, since you sort of like know your answer is not 100% accurate, Jervis, but I will tell you why later. Jervis, give me one alphabet to fill up inside here.
Y.
Y? Is it? Only got one Y in the spelling. Here. Now you know where you went wrong, right, Jervis? Devika, come unmute.
Is it photosynthesis?
Devika, I want you to give one alphabet. You give me the whole answer. Jervis also actually gave me the whole answer, but his spelling is wrong. Devika, now you give me the answer verbally. You tell me how to spell photosynthesis. Are you able to spell it?
Yes. PH
Okay.
OTO
OTO
SY
SY.
E
See again?
E.
After what?
No,
After what?
N.
N. Okay. And then after N?
T
T.
H
H. Go faster, Devika.
ES
ES.
IS.
Okay, correct spelling. So Jervis, you saw where you went wrong, huh? Only got one Y in the spelling. Okay. Is spelling important in science? As you can see from this example, if you spell the word photosynthesis wrongly, then it becomes